Hello, my name is Pujita, and now I am going to show you the third task submission, that is AI block generator. First, let's get into live demo. So currently we are trying to do a virtual environment. Next, we are going to run the file. So this is the front end that here I have already feeded few of the blocks. So here we can choose any of the blog and the whole blog will be here. So the first few things will be as a summary, and then it has a proper structure. It can be table of contents or whatever. Yeah, it can actually vary also. So this is the blog and the conclusion, and also it is included FAQs. We can also generate a new blog about anything. Let's say spaceship, and let's say I want some latest news. Let's click on generate blog. So the blog has been generated, and this is the news which it is giving. So the whole blog has been generated, and so on. Let's get into the overview of the project. So the app uses Streamlit for UI and Google Gemini for text generation. So this is my project structure. Let me get through the coding. So app.py is my main file. Here I am importing Streamlit, OS, Markdown, and .env, and also Google Generative AI. So Streamlit, as we all know, that it is used for the main thing, and .env is used to load the .env file where we actually keep the API key. Next, I configure the Gemini client and the model, that is 2.5 flash. This can vary from various PCs. And next, that is set page configuration, that I set the Streamlit page configure and ensure that the blog folder directory exists. And next, that is list blog files. What it actually does is, so here we can see that there are few small helpers, that is list blog files which finds .md post, and where it actually reads content safely from and also converts user titles into safe file names. Next, so here we can see that the title of the blogs, and also we can see that it can generate blog as well, and so on. And there is prompt. So the prompt engineering here is also crucial. It instructs Gemini to return consistent structured output rather than a single paragraph. Let's move on to generateblogs.py. Before that, let's check the requirements, that is again Streamlit, Google Generative AI, Markdown, and .env file, and OpenAI also. So let's get into generate blogs.py. So here we can see we have imported the same things, and later on we are importing the API key as well. Here there are blogs topics. We can change this and we can remove any of this and so on. So again, we have used Gemini 2.5 Flash model here, and when it does print all the folders, it says all blogs generated and saved in blog folder. So let's check the folder in blog. Here we can see this is already like pre-generated few of them, and if you remember, in the live demo I've showed about spaceship. So spaceship is also included in the blog folder itself. So I think that is my project on AI blog generator. Thank you.